Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Michael Orff, and I'll be your instructor this semester for Survey of U.S. History since 1877. Now I know a lot of you are still out for snow and ice. That's not an issue, as I will be more than flexible these first couple of weeks to let everybody get caught up with their work. This video is just to provide you the short overview of kind of the workings of the course, where you can find important information and important things about the course. So this is the home page. When you log in, typically this is the page that you'll come to. You can see the announcements, anything that's due, things of that nature. On the announcements page is where I'll post announcements. Each week I'll post an announcement about the week and what we're going to be covering. So you can check here every day when you log in. Faculty information, you can see my contact information there, my email, my phone number, and also some tips on how to be a successful student. The biggest thing is to log in every day and to make sure that you do not get behind in your work. Under syllabus and course information, you can look at the syllabus. Two things I want to point out to you real quickly is this semester we'll be using an online free textbook. Now I have provided you a PDF of the textbook. You can see here it's downloading. If you click on that link, that will take a little bit to download, but you're more than welcome to print it off, to download it, save it to your computer, however you want to do it. And now this is the entire textbook, so you'll need to make sure and go to the right chapters for our course. If you don't want to download it, you can also click on this link here and go to the web page. If you can't get to it, just click here and then view online. And then it will load up, and then over here on this side, once it loads up, you'll see contents, and then you'll scroll down to the appropriate chapter, click on introduction for each of those chapters, and you read them. When you're done reading that section, you just click on next, and it will take you to the next part. And again, you read your section, click on next, and you can go through it that way, or of course you can just click over on the left over each of the sections. But that's how you access the textbook for this course. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free to use anytime you want to get to it. And then also you have a semester project. And so here are the guidelines. Basically, you're going to prepare a PowerPoint presentation over someone who's important in U.S. history since 1877, as not a politician, and you're going to prepare a PowerPoint presentation over the individual's life. And you can see the guidelines here for it. So read through that, make sure you understand it, and let me know. And I will give you an assignment due date for your individual. That way everybody gets somebody turned in all the time. Now, the way the course is set up, you'll have weekly units and assignments. So if I click on week 1, chapter 17, everything down is broken out into folders. You have a Monday, a Wednesday, and a Friday folder. And on Fridays will always be your quizzes. You also have discussion boards. So if I click on week 1 on Wednesday, here's your discussion board right here. And then you can also click on discussion board to access it there as well. My grades will show you the grades for the class. You can email the instructor here. And that's basically the setup for the course. The biggest thing is under syllabus course information. This is how you're going to access your textbook. So again, look through this. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, I know everybody's probably out right now, but I will give everybody leeway in getting those first couple weeks done. Look forward to having you guys in class this semester. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm always here to help. Have a great day and a great week.